Hi, today I'm for the MOTOROLA Moto G53 and I'll show you the fingerprint scanner test on this device. So I just set up my fingerprint to this corner on the power key button, and now I'll just make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my fingerprint just to see how fast this feature is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As we can see, the fingerprint scanner, the power key button fingerprint works here just so fast and correct. With a simple touch of the power key, I'm just not pressing it, just simple touch it. I just successfully unlocked the device without any problems. So the fingerprint unlock method works here fast, correct. Just you can try it. I just suggest you to try this unlock method. But don't forget that the fingerprint is less secure than the passcodes or pin codes unlock methods. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.